What is up? Okay, so we're back, I guess, with another YouTube video, even though I said like y'all would never see me again. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Khalees Nicole, and you can find me on all of my social media outlets down below. And if you want to see more of this, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't mind my hair. This is the reason why we have this video today. So I don't know if you've seen the subject on the bottom, but I'm gonna be trying to do my own braid extensions. It's maybe not a flex to you, but it's a flex in my book to be able to do my own extension braids. Like, if I don't want to have to do my hair for a while, I want to be able to like pull my hair extension braids hair out and just twist it up, go to class, or like go wherever I need to go with my hair done. I'm not saying like my fro isn't cute, the other hairstyles that I do aren't cute, like boom 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 boom, those other hairstyles. It's just the fact that I want to try something new, and quarantine is time to like try new things, get new hobbies, and I think this is the hobby that I'm definitely like I was very prominent on doing. I'm so excited, y'all don't even know, like the energy right now. The room is quiet, but the energy in here in my body is going nuts over this. You guys are gonna watch me, and I'm gonna help you learn how to do it, because I'm clearly a beginner. I don't know anything about the first thing to do about extension braids, but I looked at some other videos on YouTube. I will link those down below about what YouTube videos did help me learn how to do this. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, this is about to be a fucking mess. This is what we're using. Shine and Jam. It's got honey in it. I don't know what it is with honey, but most of the products that we have in our bathroom have honey in it now. So. And then also, I have these just to like separate my hair, like to keep it out of the way of what I'm trying to grease down and tie up. I had gotten the hair off of Amazon. Yeah, it just came in yesterday. I was so excited because it wasn't coming into like 5 days from now. But the hair, I think it was like 7 or 6 different bundles. They look short right now, but clearly they're just folded up so that way it fits into the bag. Rubber bands. These rubber bands, I heard these were better, but I also have used like the regular black little rubber bands too. So whichever one you think works best for your hair, so that way it doesn't snap. I honestly am not expert in rubber bands or anything, okay, bitch. I just feel like it would have worked for me. So with the hair that they sent me from the Amazon package that I had gotten, they had sent me some of these, which honestly we have these already here, but like it's cute to get more. And I guess I might put these in my hair. I don't really know. If they come out good, I will put them in my hair. And then 2 clips to hold my hair back and out of the way. And also it's a crochet. We call it, what do we call it? I don't even know. Worth the money, because they gave me a whole bunch of stuff to go with it. Like, tell me that's not awesome. Okay, so hair is parted. It's not gonna be a perfect part. Don't judge it. After this, you're gonna go straight across with the comb again, just to get those 2 sections. So I'm spending the beginning of this video literally just combing out my hair and wanting to get every section of my hair that I want to braid into small sections like that are like less than around like 1/2 inch. And you're going to be like putting them into like little baby ponytail. When I finish doing all of these sections and rubber banding them, we can go into actually doing the braids. So I'll see y'all in a couple. We kind of moved the settings to the bathroom clearly because this is where I'm doing my hair and the whole thing. So as you can see, I literally like I like separated every single piece of hair section on my head. Can you see that? So I used the gel, the Shine and Jam, put it on the ends of, not the ends, the roots of my hair. And after that, I took the rubber band and I wrapped it around it. So I left like 3 parts in the front so I could show you guys instead of like leaving you guys out of the loop about I actually did it. and done. This took such a long time. Oh my god, I'm so happy it's over. So yeah, so this is what you should have. You should have all of your parts ready to go, even if you can't see it. So now it's time to get to the braiding. So I saw one girl, so what she did was that she just said that, oh yeah, I just raked through it with my finger just like this. Just push your finger through it, because you don't want it to be like, you want it to look, I guess, natural. So when you do this, like, you don't really want this, you want this. So you do it for both sides. So my sister Yasmin's in here. Get the out. Yo. Anyway, you're going to take, I thought I was gonna do one, but apparently it's better to do 2 strands instead of 1. So you're going to take them, make them even, because they need to be. And you have to figure them through like we did before with the other one. I'm gonna start getting through with this, and I'll see y'all in like a couple more minutes, because I can't do this on camera. It's just gonna be too much footage for nothing, and I'd rather just get it all done and then do the last couple for y'all. So I'll see y'all in a couple minutes. It took forever to get every single one of these done, but you know what? It looks pretty good to me. I think this took me about 6-7 hours. I don't know why I got back and front. So I'm already like starting on the middle part. So here's the ponytail, and with the 2 strands that I was talking about earlier. So I gotta make sure this is like facing up, or it's not gonna work. So with these 2 strands, I actually twisted them so it's actually easier to hook it onto the hair. So like this. So I'm hooking it on to this. I'm closing the hook, or at least like closing what's left on the hook. Hopefully all the hair is on it, because I'm very nervous if this doesn't go through. So I pull it through. See how I pulled it through? Make sure both strands are in it, because if not, you're gonna have to like re-pull it out, and you're gonna really hate doing that. And I've done it like 3,000 times. Not 3,000 times, I'm just being dramatic for views, but it was very difficult. So then I'm gonna pull it through like that. You saw how I did that? And then I just pull it until it's locked. Like you have a knot in your head now. And these knots are actually easy to take out, so like don't worry about it. You separate these 2 parts, and I'm gonna take one side of the braid, put it with the other, and then take the other side of this braid and put it with the other side of my real hair. And you know what? And I'm just twisting it. And I even like did like a little twirl and then brought it over to the other side. And make sure you pull through the braid. So twist it, bring it to the other side, pull down through the braid. Twist it, twist, pull it over. And you just keep doing that until you get to the very end. Okay, I have to fix these braids because they're not in the right spots. Holy crap, this came out really kind of good. What? I can't remember the last time I even had braids in. Like, oh my god, I'm actually shook. I'm excited. This is some content that I really didn't think that I was going to be able to do myself, or like, because I've seen a lot of girls do it, and I'm really not like, I'm not hair savvy like most of the girls that you see on Instagram or like YouTube, for instance. This really set the confidence I needed to be like, yes, I know what works for my hair. I know how to do my hair. If you really want to start with doing hair, passion twists are it. Oh my god. I might do other hair videos with just like my actual natural hair without the extensions. I will link down every single every single material or video that ever helped me even get my own video done down below in the description box. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching again. If you guys didn't see this in the beginning, you guys can also follow me down below here on all of my social media outlets just to see more of my beautiful face. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and on this video. And I will see you guys next time. Be happy and be humble.